what it says, teacher. Shouldn't be there.
It's not a little big flap that's sticking out of part of it. It looks great. You really need to sort your genuine out now.
No, do a video. Okay, alright, that's enough now.